Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping in on Rollercoin. We're going to be looking back over the last 2 weeks at some little updates you might have missed that are going to make big changes to Rollercoin. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so here we are in my Rollercoin account, and it's been about a week since the last time we were in here. So 1 week ago, we had 19.610 petahashes. You can see that we are now nearly at 21 petahashes, and that is basically because I've managed to pick up these two miners in the last two weekly sales. So we got this one, which brought me 360,000 gigahashes, the Steam Weedle miner, and then we got this one that brought me 38,000 gigahashes, the Type Z. Obviously, like I keep saying, I think it's been a great update from Rollercoin to turn the daily sales into weekly sales, and I think a lot of you are agreeing from the PMs and DMs I'm getting. A lot of you are just saying that you've been able to grab some of these special limited miners at really good prices because of that change. So for me, it has been a total success, and I hope the majority of you out there think that. Like I say, from the messages I've received, that's the sort of feeling that I'm getting. But obviously, I guess, you can't please everyone, but I hope the majority of you, if not all of you, are happy with that. So, like I say, we've moved up to now nearly 21,000 petahashes. Obviously, we will in, I think it's 3 days or just over 3 days, we're going to have another sale. Hope maybe I'll be able to grab a couple more, because what that does, for those of you that are unclear, is if we dive in here and we go to the collection, the last video, I think we were at 47% of our total bonus power. So we basically, if you can collect any of the miners from this listing, each one will give you a percentage addition on your total power. So obviously, you can see I've filled in quite a few of these miners, nowhere near all of them, which is obviously the aim. But we are at 51.5% bonus on top of our total power, which is obviously absolutely excellent and keeps our account building, earning faster, therefore producing withdrawals faster. Okay, so like I say, over the last couple of weeks, there are things that have happened, little updates that you guys might have missed. And for those of you that are interested in Rollercoin, which is a virtual cloud mining game, but you don't know a whole lot about it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an early review. Now, that's going to give you a lot more information and a better idea of what you need to be doing to get your account up and running so you can start earning some of that free crypto as well. So the first update, which came in a FB post, the big thing for Rollercoin seemed to be that we had mined 20 BTC. So in total, since the program has been running, Rollercoin and us as members have mined a total of 20 Bitcoins, which is pretty impressive when it comes to a program. But for me, that was not the big news when it came to this update. For me, if you look to lower down. Basically, it said here, this is not the limit for Rollercoin. Soon enough, our players will be mining even more than 4 coins. So obviously at the moment we can mine 3. Even though there's 4 in the listings, USDT being the last edition, we can actually only mine 3, which is Bitcoin, Doge, and Ethereum. So hopefully they will be adding USDT as a mineable coin, but the update says that we will be able to mine even more than 4 coins. So that means they are adding yet another coin to be mined to the program. Obviously, it's all being kept under wraps. I saw a lot of suggestions. A lot of people were saying Tron and other, Tron, MXR, Ripple, all these coins were thrown into the hat. We will have to see which coin Rollercoin decides. But also together with that, a little update. At the end of it, it says, but something not that fungible. So from that, I'm guessing that we are going to start getting NFTs added to the program as well, which will be very interesting and hopefully will work alongside our account. But then also, if we want to sell them, could be a good investment as well. But in this update, there's even more news. At the very, very, very bottom, it says, and there's even more. Rollercoin will give its players a new source of profit besides mining. So I'm not sure it's going to come into in the guise of an offer wall or something like that. But the great thing is, obviously, we have the mining, which I realize for a lot of people, there is, a bit of a thing between big accounts and lower accounts and stuff like that. But they are now saying they are bringing yet another way to earn in the program. So I'm hoping for you guys that have got the slightly lower accounts, this is going to present a really good opportunity for you to start building up your accounts away from the mining. So you can come into the program. Obviously, you've got your miners, but you can do other stuff now in the program or very soon in the program that is going to help boost that power or even boost the amount of coins or whatever it is. But hopefully, obviously for everybody, it's going to make a difference. But what I'm hoping is that really for you guys with the lower accounts, it's going to really aid you to start building your accounts to the higher levels a lot quicker. Okay, so there was another update that I wanted to go over, which again, I felt subtly this could be something quite big and something quite interesting. So let's get into that and I'll explain to you what I mean. Okay, so this update was only posted yesterday. So today is the 25th of the 9th. It was posted on the 24th of the 9th, 2021. It's only a real short update, but I feel depending on how you read it, it could mean more rewards coming to us for something we've already done, which would be absolutely brilliant and obviously would be a nice thing for Rollercoin to do. So it's connected with the Season 1 Perfection, and basically it's coming to an end. In about a week or so's time, the first season, Perfection, will come to an end. Now, it says here, and this is what I think, it depends on how you read it, depends how it can be taken. Now, it says here, we remind all miners to complete all weekly quests, not to miss on final rewards. Now, that says to me, like I say, it could be read in a couple of ways. It could merely be saying that if you don't do all of the quests, you're going to miss out on the last rewards that are available for people doing the quests. So getting your final miner or whatever. I think it would be, obviously it would be the final big miner, whichever one of these is. That's how it could be taken. But it could also read that if you have completed all of the quests, whether you've paid for that privilege like I did, or you have done it manually, that at the end of the season, for those people that have completed all the quests, there is a final reward. Obviously, it does come down to how you read it and how your mind perceives these things, but I always like to err on the side of the positive. So I'm kind of reading it that if you have been one of those people that have completed all the quests or paid for that privilege like myself, that when the season is finished, there are going to be final rewards distributed to those people. Obviously, we will have to see, and we'll find out in a week's time. But like I say, it would be pretty cool if that was something that Rollercoin had done. Okay, so that's it. Super quick update. That's all I wanted to bring to you. I just wanted to bring those little things to your attention that you might well have missed out on. And if you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.